So you're typing on your Samsung keyboard and I don't know if you can hear that, but that's the tapping sounds or typing sounds when you're tapping on your Samsung keyboard. You want to keep the system settings for sounds enabled. You don't want to mute everything just so that you can mute your keyboard from making all those sounds. So what you're going to do here today is basically when you are about to start typing on your Samsung keyboard and it shows up, you'll see the settings icon right there. When you tap on that once, you'll be taken to the Samsung keyboard settings. From here on, I want you to go down and you'll go to where it says swipe, touch, and feedback. As you enter here, you're going to see these different options. You want to go to where it says touch feedback, and this is where you will see the sound for typing. If you turn this off now and you go back to your typing, even if you have your system setting sounds on, you won't hear any sounds when you're typing. So if you've been looking for that, that's where you would go to do that. Like and sub.